My name is Dr. Jeffrey Hughes. I'm a lecturer in the Department of Anthropology at UNC Greensboro, and I've been studying Moravian history and archaeology since the late 1990s. There's only so much that you can learn in the classroom. There's only so much that you can learn about archaeology by reading what other people have done. So we're here today in Old Salem because we're offering an archaeology field school that will give our students hands-on experience in doing archaeological excavations. And specifically, we're focused on trying to find the remains of a 1793 experimental kiln.
I think the main takeaway from this dig has been the amount of information that you can find out about people in the past just from looking at the little artifacts. This is my dream job, so being out in the field, doing the digging. Participating in this has actually made me hone in on what I want to do.
This summer's Archaeology Field School is a partnership between UNC Greensboro and Old Salem Museums and Gardens. And as part of that partnership, Old Salem has set aside some space in their visitor center where we have an archaeology lab set up. So at the end of each day's excavations, we can take all of those artifacts that we find, take it to the lab, clean them up, begin processing them, cataloging and identifying the things that we find each day.
We have found a lot of different pottery pieces and a lot of just smaller pieces of pottery, little sherds from larger pieces. And the date ranges and the stylistic ranges that we've discovered are vast. We have found a lot of variety in glazes and colors, and we can see different techniques of creating this pottery, so we can really see how those things changed over time and how those techniques changed. I think that this is a wonderful and valuable experience, and we have had a wonderful teacher who has been able to guide us through all of it, and I'm really, really honored that I've been able to come out here, and it's not every day you get to do archaeology in your backyard.